Bibawo. These things happen is brought to you by VCL Studios, Uganda's only choice in video filming, editing, and quality audio recording.
Says
yes.
that they need a blood test for for HIV.
Yes.
And I'm afraid here we may not be able to take a test.
Oh no,
here.
Don't worry. I am very safe, and you can also even determine. If now they are telling you all of that story, don't worry. You get the stamp, and your stamp here, you put your signature. Money wants to fly away.
I know you want to fly
Yes.
away. Yes,
Oh,
I can
no.
see you're very healthy. So what you're going to do?
Yes.
You're going to go back to town.
Yes.
And go to the AIDS Information Center.
Hey, what is that?
That is where they do voluntary testing.
I see.
Student master.
You're so fat.
Student.
Please.
Good work relation.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to take up the matter. Oh,
Yes.
choge de mino di chiwera. You're so fat. I understand. I'm going to take up the matter.
I didn't know you had something.
Hope. Do come in. Ponyeza. Oh, well, Kwaga, yes, Hope, how can I help you? Good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Mpako yawe.
Chibi.
Yange ni ya dead.
Oh, well, yes, how can I help you, Hope?
He said, Master, I'd come to ask for permission to go to town.
Don't you have lessons?
No, today I have no lessons. So I wanted to go and check for the prices of the students' leotards because the invigilators are about to come.
Headmaster.
Yes.
What's the tax?
Mr. Mchi.
I'm so fat.
Yes.
Leotards. Well, there is outfit. Tight outfits. Female students usually put on during their dancing classes.
Otegeeza muno obugoye bwe bambala ne babeeramu nga beemuula nga basina nga badde eno badde bwe bw'otegeeza.
Mr. Mchi, sikwemora. My dancing lessons are as important as your woodwork lessons.
Yes, Hope, why are you going to check on the prices?
I'm going to Kampala, sir.
Are you going like that?
Oh, no, sir. I had first come ask for permission, then I can go and change.
Oh, well, okay.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Thank you very much,
Yes.
sir.
Hey, Hope,
Yes, sir.
when are you coming back?
Sir, I should be coming back before midday, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Now, headmaster.
Oh my God.
Oh, really?
Yokoso. Okay, yes, I understand. I'm going to
Yeah, I want
matter.
to discuss this seriously.
Fine, fine, Yokoso.
It's a very important one.
Okay, can you please? I understand.
Yes, madam. Is this a information blood center?
This is AIDS Information Center.
Oh, AD, yes. Oh, how are you, madam? Okay, madam.
Welcome to Science Okulaba.
Enyabo.
Kitongole kyaffe kino.
Enyabo. Kakati nyabo nvuddeko mu battaseeyo be bansindise wano. Omanyi I am Mr. Lindo, the deputy headmaster, who is even capable to become a headmaster, have been selected to go abroad and study more about agriculture. Kakati wentuse mutaso ebangamba nti I have to come here with my form so that you just look through, and I have finished my part. You just look through here and you stamp and you endorse your signature. You go.
Ebyo mbiwulidde mwami deputy headmaster.
Yes, madam.
Naye ebigambo by'oku AIDS Information Center sibiba byakoona mu bukonyi sitampu. Tulina okulaba nti weetegereza kiki ddala kitegeeza mu kujjako omusaayi ogw'akawuka kano akasiriimu tujjako.
Yes, okukusalako. Now I am a health person because I have also explained to those people in Tasso that I am capable, I am healthy, I don't have these things, I am not like this. I just want not to waste someone's time. I just want to fly away I go. So now, you just help me and stamp, yes. Yeah.
Mwami headmaster.
Yes.
Naye ebigambo bino si ebigambo bye tuyinza okupapira oba okuwugutanira. Ebigambo bino, I would be very happy if you told me, what do you know the difference between HIV and AIDS? Enjawulo wakati w'akawuka kano akaleeta siriimu n'okubeera ne siriimu, enjawulo eyo ogimanyi?
In fact, in Sijakulim, I know both of them are the same.
Okay, a person could have HIV and yet look healthy, like you and me. Omuntu ayinza okuba n'akawuka ka siriimu n'aba ng'afaanana nga ggwe, mpozi oba n'afaanana nga nze. N'olwekyo teweeyibaala. Omuntu alina siriimu, or a person who has AIDS, is that person in fact who is not dangerous, because he will be thin, he will be scratching, he will be vomiting, he will have diarrhea. A person who has HIV could look like you and me, and yet this person could be the most dangerous, because the moment he has HIV in the blood, he is infectious.
But you are capable to tell someone something, and I understand. Now I understand that is a problem, but now I'm a healthy person who is capable, and you see me.
Okay, Mr.
You help me.
Mr. Lindo, Mwami Lindo Sebu, it's not a matter of feeding this number, which we need to talk a little bit more. Tulina okwogera ku nsonga zino, tulabe ddala obulwadde buno bukwata butya? How can one get this virus?
Ekisinga obukulu era kyembadde nnyinnyonnyola bensinza ku myaka ye kwegatta kuno okwejjenjeera okwo
having unprotected sex. Okay?
Now, as you have said, nga kati bw'otegedde nti omusajja byonna ebintu bitegeera kakati nnyabo nyamba koleki. I don't want to waste a lot of your time.
Another mode is also getting blood which is contaminated with this virus.
Yes.
Singa bakugabira omusaayi tugambe ng'ogudde ku accident.
Yes.
Oyinza okufuna akawuka ako naye ekirungi kati mu Uganda.
Yes.
Omusaayi gwonna gumala kukeberwa.
Awono bukyeba ne kitereeza ekyo. Oh.
That should not be a worry.
Yes, good.
Also, sharing sharp tools like injections can transmit the virus. If this injection has been used on an infected person, ebiyisoyiso bino ebitali bifumbe bwe bakijja mu jjooni ne bakikuba lameka
But madam, ndabye ekintu ekiri eki oli wa kisa nnyo, you are very capable. Era mbadde ngamba, if you finish your work nga nange maliriza bino ebyokutambuza empapula zino, I offer you a drink, just 3 bottles of beer in the evening. Thank you very much.
We have just talked about the need not to trust anyone, okay? Sikwetagisa okukyusa endowooza gy'obadde olina ku muntu. Bino ebigambo by'okulowooza nti buli gw'onoosanga ng'olowooza mutwala kunywa bbiya, ebyo byerabirwa.
Yes, these things happen. Yes, but no, you don't mind. Don't say that. Because for me, I like you and I like you very much. And I'm just so happy.
But madam, you are telling us about NBM.
NBM?
Yes, you tell us that not before marriage.
For the students, those are some hours. Me and you, for me, I love you, and I'm just so happy to have this opportunity to be with you.
It's not right. It's not right, madam.
No, what is not right? Because these things, they do happen.
Madam, it's not right. It's not right. Never tell us about NBM. I'm saying that not before marriage.
Not before marriage? That is for the students. But no, you don't like me because for me, I like you so much. I love it. No, what is that right now? Why call me College? Me, Hope, or even this. Why don't you call me darling? Because you're my darling and I love you. What is it right now? Because for me, I love you. Don't you say that? Because for me,
Oh my God.
It is important for you to understand the implication of this test.
Yes.
Kati lusasizo ziyinza okuvaamu kugamba eti nga olina obanga tolina. Bw'obanga tolina kirungi okusigala nga weekuumye.
Very good.
Bw'obanga olina kirungi okutasigirako mulala.
Yeah, very good.
Kirungi okutasigirako ki?
Yeah.
It is important not to infect others by practicing protected sex. I think you have seen our posters there.
Yes.
Just showing you that putting on a condom is as simple as that.
Very good.
Headmaster. Nkubuulire kyendebye ku luno.
Why you bump in my office like that?
Nsonyiwa ssebo kubanga kino kimpitiriddeko. Tata kimpitiriddeko. Onsonyiwe kanfukamire n'okufukamira.
No.
Omanyi
First.
oli mu office naye tomanyi ky'oliko. Tomanyi ky'oliko mukama wange. By'oliko ebiri ebweru tobimanyi ebigenda. Okuuma lubugonga lubale mubbe.
Okay, calm down.
Anything is bad. Headmaster kino kiyitiridde. Emmwanyi gye weesiga teri mu mulamwa. Omwana wo ono omwana wo mama okuuma lubugonga lubale mubbe. Bana musanze nga yeerwaluma n'akalenzi akaliko bannange twavadda. Mukama Katonda. Bannange.
Amanda omusanze akola ki?
Bannange. Katonda wange.
Mbulira.
Mama.
Namanje. Mbulira Amanda aba. Tell me chichi.
Katonda wange. Katonda wange tuliko. Mama. Mukama Katonda. Okuuma lubugonga lubala.
Mbulira Amanda abadde nyonyola.
Headmaster okuuma lubugo. Naye tomanyi ki.
Tell me Amanda abadde ki? Amanda akoze ki?
Sigamba ono Amanda omwana. Ngamba ono Hope Obusinge. Hope Obusinge munnange musanze ng'ali mu kakuubo wali ng'akutta akaana akalenzi akakutta akaliko akalume emimwa akalume
aliko akaluma. Akavumbagidde.
Akavumbagidde akato. Bannanga nampuliranga omusungu ate nga yatugamba mbu not before marriage. Ate nga yali kukaana.
Aliko yavumbagidde
akaliko.
Owai. Ng'ali avumbagidde. Kale genda tunabikolako.
Ngende.
Genda tunabikolako.
Ngende bugenzi. Nga tebali wakikoleddwa ngende bugenzi headmaster. Ekyo ekintu kiri mwana.
No, oli mutuufu. Oli mutuufu. Tugira bwe tuti. Okay, tukole bwe tuti. Gira. Obasanze bakalo ki?
Musanze ng'ali mukakuba amukutte ng'amuliko amuluma emimwa.
Yes, ekyo kikyamu. Mpoza ani gundi?
Hopuka obusinge bwe ŋŋamba.
Yes, kakati gira bwoti.
Esemu.
Gira genda omugamba ajje kati.
Mbadde nzija bwe nti naye nadduka n'agenda. Taliiyo.
Okay. Womulabako mugambe nti mwetaaga mu office.
Kale sebo. Naye simati.
Namayanja naye ali dramatic bulala. Bannange badde ntidde ti Amanda ensonga entuufu agivuddeko. Oh my God. Well, kino ekyako obusinge of course. Nakyo kikyamu. Ebyo bibaawo. These things happen. It's no big deal. Naye Amanda. Webale kutangiwayo. Naliseebwa.
From you, but because now I want to go to Entambuze Mpapula zino zonna nzizeeyo, he just stamp for me number 24. Bwekiba kigamba Musaya, take me. I don't mind. I am capable.
What would you do if you tested negative?
Oh, I reply. I tell you, I will make my life very happy. I'll be sitting.
Acho singa tunakakutema kyakawuko kalina. Munabagitya deputy headmaster.
Atebyo nabo babyogera. That will not happen, madam.
Kati osazeewo okutwala test eno.
Nyabo osazeewo.
Tukebera omusango.
Sirina mutawaana. Ondabye muki.
Osazeewo.
Yes.
Tujuze fomu eno.
Yes.
Saagala kumanya manyago.
Oh.
Tetugawanika ku fomu because this is an anonymous test and what we discuss remains between the two of us. Okay. Now, what is your mother's name?
Elvania Nora Nakayuchi.
Mama manyage Elvania
Nora Nakayuchi.
Wazalibwa ku kyalo ki?
Mu Kikajjo.
Okay, Kikajjo village. Ekyalo Kikajjo.
Yes.
Wazalibwa mwaka ki?
1947 September.
17 September.
Yeah, mkepe tusite. Yeah. And
okay.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes, madam.
If you have decided to take this test,
yes,
you will go over and find Dr. Namayanja in room 2.
Oh.
And Dr. Namayanja will just request you to pay 1,000 shillings
as
cost sharing, and you come back in 2 weeks' time.
No, that will be very nice because I'm remaining with only 3 weeks so that I go abroad. Thank you very much. Okay. But don't forget to find me the evening if our beer. Twakuba nti nkola yammwe nti mukeberere yamuherise mulina omulimu ogw'okwetoliga capable man, herise man. Okay, no problem. Yeah. The money I'm flying. Yes. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, I'm flying. Then we just give the results. I think it will be very easy. Okay. Yeah. It looks very healthy. It's very red. Yes. Yeah. I'm confident, capable. Yeah. The capable man. His blood is capable, everything. Okay. Otherwise, I was here.
It's okay.
Yes, I'm a deputy headmaster who is capable to become a headmaster. You hear of Lindo? Yes. Thank you for your work. Give her the meaning. Lindo agenda kubuka bwe. Yes, he's capable. Before maybe lintawanya kubitoloza. Naye newe kati at least mbimazi. Angambye nti mu wiki ngabiri ngakomawo. Oh yes. Perhaps you could ring him in India kunyigiriza nkoleki. Yes. Yes. You are Dr. Nakagwa.
Dr. Namayanja.
Namayanja, he's medical officer, okay. So you are capable. Yes. Yeah. Both of us are capable. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, young. Okay, madam. Thank you very much. Yes. I'm coming for my results anytime. Yes, Mr. Lindo. Yeah. Think I can go. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, it is very good. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I was told you wanted to see me, sir.
Yeah. Did you go to town?
Yes, sir.
What time did you go?
I went as soon as I left here, went and changed and went to town, sir.
And what time did you come back?
I've just come back right now, sir.
Look, Hope, I expect you to tell me the truth,
Yes,
right?
sir.
What has Namanja just phoned you been doing?
Metro Namanja found me getting out of the taxi at the gate, and she told me that you wanted to see me immediately.
No, before that.
I've just been to town, sir, and I'm coming back.
Look here. As I said, I'm expecting you to tell me the truth, Hope.
Yes, sir.
Namanja found you holding a schoolboy in a corridor about 1.5 hours ago.
Yowe.
Isn't that true?
Yowe. I'm a man.
How could you do that? How could you do that?
Holding a schoolboy. And yet I take the students
Come on, stop
to be my
denying.
children.
Stop denying.
Sir, it's not true.
Now, look here. Hope. I mean, Namanja has been in this school for 8 years. And she has never given me any false report. I mean, she can't just come all of a sudden and create that. Hope, I expected you to set a very good example in the school, since you're the one heading this NBM campaign of yours. How could you do that?
What I can tell you is that I'm telling you the truth.
Well, I also want to believe that. But I don't expect Namanya to create a story like that. She has been here very cross, very annoyed. Hope. So I want that full written explanation, right? Go.
All I can tell you that it's not true.
Yes, that's what I want to believe, but... Yes, mommy.
Kulira njagala kujoininga women's clubs.
Women's clubs?
Yeah, oba kuno kuliko.
Mommy, that's a nice idea. Ziyamba abakyala.
Nga ebyokubeera awaka nabyo.
Bitama.
Daddy and Nanny,
Yes,
I've
Maria.
got some presents for you.
Presents for us.
Yes.
Ate wabijjiwo, Maria.
Yangi.
Bibyo.
Daddy,
Maria,
this is yours.
Oh, wonderful. Beautiful. Mom,
yes.
you see?
Wow, it's so nice. Maria, webale nnyo.
Webale, Maria.
Webalire ddala.
Thank you, Maria.
And Mommy,
Yes.
this is yours.
Oh, beautiful.
Maria,
Oh, Maria.
naye bino bibyo.
Tobyagala?
What's Mommy sola Bibawo byesangala?
Oh, wow. Webale nnyo, webalire
This is the only
ddala.
way to show you that I love you and I appreciate whatever you do for me.
Oh,
Thank you
Maria.
very
Thank you very much.
much, Maria.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Maria, webale nnyo, webale
Omwana ono,
ddala.
Maria.
Which advocates for high moral conduct, and then here you are coasting, romancing with the school boys, peace. Peace, you get out of the house. I don't want you to come and spoil my life. You get out of the house, peace. Get out, peace. I don't want to see you here, peace. Peace, you get out of this house right now. Me, I've come to sleep here, to spend the night here. We come to see me and spend the night here, peace. Peace, but I've got only one bed, and I can't share it with you, peace. You get out of the house, peace. No, peace, peace, you get out of the house. Peace, you go. Peace, you get out of the house. Me, I'm spending the night here. Okay, peace. Okay. Naendaje peace. Yes. Okay. Hopu. Nienda. Akahari akataito. Naenda akahari akataito. When I bring it, you go. Okay, let me go and get it. Okay. Here. How are you, peace? I'm fine, Hope. As you look so nice. Who did this hairstyle for you? My friends. Your friends? Yeah, I don't know them. My friends, you and me. Shari, peace. Hakika ari kurungi. Ariyo kurungi. And Mama, how is she? Mama, she's fine. Now, you know, the headmaster doesn't permit me to stay in this house with people. Now, you come and I take you back to a Kyeki. Cherry Hope. A Kyeki is going to London today at 2. You mean mean Kyeki is going to London today at 2, and he's the one who brought you here. Yes. Okay, PC. Okay. Now, since Kyeki is going to London, okay, let me take you to Mama. No, me, I don't want to go to Mama. Mama beats me. PC. Now that you know that you are a big girl like me. Yes, so we go to Mama. She will be nice to you, PC. Okay. Now, peace. I want you to listen to me. You come and we go together to Mama right now. You come and we go. Okay, Hope. Now I want you to listen to me. Hope, me and Kai to stay here. No, you listen to me, please. I'm going to go. If you don't want peace, okay, let me go and telephone and Kyeki and say that you are here. You are disturbing me. Yes, I'm going to stop. Excuse me, is the phone working?
Yes, it's working.
I want to make a local call.
It is 2:50 after 3 minutes.
It's a confidential call.
You can do it.
Hello, may I please speak to Kyeki? Kyeki, please. Hello, Kyeki, no Kozirechi. Kyeki, what have you done to me? Kyeki, you are trying to ruin my life. Kyeki, what have you done to me, Kyeki? I've all along tried to tell you that you should try to keep this girl in your custody, and now she's escaped. Kyeki, won't Kozirechi. You mean you're going to run and you had taken her to Mama? Ruhanga wanga Kyeki. She's escaped and now she's here. Kyeki, you know what Peace has done? She's ruined my life and career completely. She was caught romancing with a schoolboy. Yes. And the case now is with the headmaster, and they think that it's me. Kyeki, you need me to tell them that I have a twin sister? No. Kyeki, I can't tell them that I have a twin sister who is mad. No, Kyeki, because listen, Kyeki, if I tell them that I have a twin sister who is mad, they'll soon find out that she's escaped from, she's been to Butabika and she's escaped from there on several occasions. No, Kyeki, I can't. Kyeki, no, listen, let me explain to you. If I tell them that I have a mad sister, if I do anything wrong or anything that is not right, they'll say, madness is crying, that I'm also mad, and that madness is in the family. You see? No, Kyeki. Okay, Kyeki. Now, why don't you come and pick her up? You mean you are going to London today at 2? But look, Kyeki, I can't let Peace stay here. And I can't let the school know that I have a twin sister who is mad. Okay, Kyeki, safe journey. Yes, let me try and find a way of getting her back to Mama. Okay, Kyeki. My parents, please.
And madam, you have used 12 minutes. Your paper is finished.
Ogenda ogamba abaana not before marriage. N'olyoka odda mu nkuba kubana n'otandika okubanuuna emimwa abato amabujja.